Hello guys, welcome back and hope everyone are doing fantastic. Guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing 5 different ways on how to earn money on Binance. Guys, usually a beginner in crypto, what they'll think is they'll create account on any exchange and they think that they can earn money only from spot or futures trading or from staking. That's it. But guys, there's a lot of ways, okay? There's more than 10 ways where you can earn money on Binance. On Binance exchange only, you'll get these many options when compared to other exchanges. Okay, now before I show you those 5 different ways, guys, in case if you're new to this channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now the first one is, guys, most of you all know this, but anyway, I'll still cover it. The first one is Launchpool. Guys, Binance Launchpool is a platform where users can earn new tokens by staking their existing cryptocurrencies like mainly BNB. Now, on your Binance interface, click on this Launchpool option. In case if you don't find this option here, then simply click on this more option and you'll find it there. Okay, now click on Launchpool. So these are all the completed projects here. So all these coins here have been launched on Binance through Binance Launchpool. Okay guys, now how to get this a little bit of this airdrop coins through Launchpool. Guys, whenever a new coin gets listed on Binance Launchpool, it will show here just like this, and it will have an option called lock. So you should click on that lock option and you should lock your BNB. Assume that you're not active all the time, but you wanna actively participate in all the Launchpool projects. Then you can do one thing. Simply click on this subscribe option and stake your BNB. Now at the top you have this flexible option. So select this option and stake your BNB. If you select this option, then you can redeem your BNB at any time and you can withdraw. So if you do this, then you'll have two advantages here. First is you'll be getting 0.14% interest on your BNB holdings, and you'll be getting airdrops through Binance Launchpool. Guys, if you stake your BNB and leave it, you'll automatically become eligible for all the upcoming future Launchpool airdrops. Now enter how much BNB you want to stake and click on confirm. Guys, one more thing. Recently, Tree token was launched through Binance Launchpool, right? So Binance is giving away 60,000 Tree tokens through airdrop. So guys, if you participate, then you'll be getting a small chunk of this Tree airdrop. Now, how to participate? In the description of this video, you'll find my Binance referral link. So you should click on that and you should create an account on Binance Exchange and you should complete KYC. The second step is after creating Binance account, I'll leave a link in the description. Okay, so you should click on that and you'll get a page like this, and you should click on register. The third step is you should deposit $50 onto your Binance account and you should trade on Tree token at least 2 times, okay, under spot. The accumulative trade amount should be at least $100 if you want to become eligible. So after this, if you complete all the criteria, the first 4,000 users will be getting 15 Tree tokens. The second way is Binance Pool. So Binance Pool, guys, assume that you have a powerful computer or a mining rig at your house. So you can simply link up that mining rig or computer to your Binance Pool and you can start mining Bitcoin. Guys, if I want to explain everything detailedly, then it will take time, okay? So I don't want to make this video very long. So guys, do let me know in case if you want me to make a dedicated video on this Binance Pool. Now the third way is staking. So click on this more option and scroll down and click on this option called simple earn. Here you have two options, flexible and locked option. Under flexible, if you stake your crypto assets, then you can withdraw whenever you want. In case if you stake your crypto assets under locked option, then you cannot withdraw whenever you want. So guys, once you lock your assets under locked staking, you should wait until that locking period gets over. And the other major difference is under locked staking, your interest percentage will be higher when compared to flexible staking. Now guys, to stake, all you have to do is just select any coin and under this enter how much you want to stake and click on confirm. That's it. The fourth way is Binance Cloud Mining. Now guys, assume that you don't have any powerful computer or mining rigs and all you have is just few $100 in your wallet. So if that's the case, then you can put that a few dollars here and Binance will mine for you under cloud mining. And guys, one more thing, 99.99% of all the cloud mining sites that you find on the internet are all scams. So I'm telling you, if you deposit, then you will not be able to withdraw. So please be very careful. Guys, only use reputed companies. Example, Binance. Now the fifth and the last one is Binance Square. Guys, Binance Square is a platform where people can set up a profile and they can start posting crypto related stuff and they can earn money. Guys, Binance Square is almost like a Twitter or Telegram channels. And guys, do let me know if you want me to make dedicated videos on any of these topics, okay? I'll be more than happy to do. Guys, there's still so many other ways like DeFi staking, Solana staking, Binance referral program, Ethereum staking, and so on. Guys, I've just covered only 5 in this video. And guys, in case if you want me to make a dedicated videos explaining each and everything on Binance Cloud Mining, Binance Pool Mining, or Binance Square, then do let me know in the comment section down below, okay? I'll be more than happy to make dedicated videos on those topic. Okay guys, now if you have any doubts related to this topic, then drop that in the comment section down below. And guys, please do drop a like on this video, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now if you're a subscriber, then I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, peace.